In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix DStv error code E50. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are being told an empty bouquet of channels was selected, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you are told select the correct bouquet from the bouquet menu, press TV button on DStv remote control to reset this. So if you have tried this but you are still unable, then what you need to do is to first remove your card and make sure it is wiped clean and try to insert it afresh and see if that fixes the problem. However, if that does not fix the problem, then you want to try and restart your decoder, and once you have restarted your decoder, now your problem should be fixed. However, if you still have an issue, then you want to check your subscription and ensure that you have a current active subscription for you to get DStv services. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.